Hello guys. Black color, light green color, yellow color, dark blue color, violet color, dark green color, purple color, orange color, brown color, red color, sky blue color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for books. C. C for candy. D. D for dragon. E. E for egg. F. F for fruits. G. G for gun. H. H for head. I for iron. J. J for jam. K. K for kingfisher. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nurse. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for question. R. R for rainbow. S. S for sky. T. T for toy. U. U for uniform. V. V for van. W. W for wax. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yam. Z. Z for zipper. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.